Adding a user to a group will apply all the group settings and permissions to the added user account. If you want to know more about adding a user to a group, here's the perfect video for you to watch. So first up, you have to open Start menu on your computer, open File Explorer, right-click on this PC on the left side, click Manage, then click More Options or this arrow next to System Tools. Double-click on Local Users and Groups, select the Groups folder, right-click a group in the Groups folder, click Add a Group, select Add to the Properties window, enter username in this box, then click Check Names next to the text box. Once done, you have to select OK and click Apply after that. Now after that process, you have to restart your computer. Now that's how easy you can add a user to a group in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.